I'm Ellen McCauley at Pray It Off in Syracuse. We're talking about depression. We're talking about eating because we're depressed and being depressed because we're fat. The whole vicious circle there. Now, there's a lot of things that can help too. A lack of sleep. Bob and I were night hawks. We'd get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, him 4:30, me 5, and we'd still be going to bed at midnight. And you can't do that. So we forced ourselves, maybe a year ago, to start going to bed at 9:30? Yep. I can't tell you how much that helps. Now, you might say 9:30, that's so early. Well, we get up early. Also, insufficient exercise. Exercise helps. Now, you've got arthritis, you've got something. I can't tell you how important, and I am a broken record. I will say eat less, move more in so many ways that you might say, is she going to say that again? I will. I will say it again. Mary Ellen's heard it for 8 years. Karen's heard it for 8 years, 7 years, going on 8. I will say that because we have to move. We have to eat right. How do we really concentrate on a depression that robs us of enjoying life? I think we can be depressed all the time. That poor 19-year-old kid who got hit by a car outside Carousel Mall. Well, guess who's got a 19-year-old son who was at Carousel Mall the day before? Me. I'm thinking, what if that was my son? I worked myself into I was on the verge of tears. What if that was my son? What if that was my family? What would I do? Through the grace of God, it wasn't. I can pray for his family. I can pray for his girlfriend. I can pray for the driver of the other car. I can pray for the car they hit, which I don't want to say the name on the blog, but you all know they're associated with Holy Family. I'll tell it at the break. You can pray for so many people. You can pray so much that you just need to say, I can't go down the depression route. I can just put it in God's hands. I'm going to challenge all of you to do one thing for a week. Get outside. I'm guilty of this. I have not spent a half hour outside. Has anyone? I mean, I'm sure there's people who've walked outside, been outside. I haven't. Bob's worked outside for 8 hours straight. I need to get outside. I do my exercise inside. I go from my car to my office. But what's wrong with just getting outside and smelling the air and snowshoeing or doing something? So if this is one of them, get outside. You gotta move for 20 or 30 minutes and get your heart rate up. Even if you're sitting in a chair and you take some weights and you vigorously move them, it gets your heart rate up. Even if you stand there and move like this for 20 minutes, you get your heart rate up. I've taken 2 fish oil a day, the omega-3 fatty acids, for the whole 7 years I've been at Pray It Off. I highly recommend it. Sleep, this is for a week. For a week you say, I'm going to exercise for a week. I'm going to sleep early for a week. Socialize. Even PO socialization. Bob and I look forward to it every week. We say we get to see our peeps, our PO peeps. You know, I like getting out. I like seeing us. So there's some people that are housebound and they need to get out to the meeting because they see people. And watch your thinking. Right now there's people saying, Ellen just doesn't understand. Because I've had some really terrible things in my life. And if I didn't have those things, I wouldn't be depressed. We cannot go in the past. All of us, I could bring you to tears right now by telling you some of the things that have happened in my life. I'm sure you could bring me to tears right now by telling me things that have happened in your life. It is 6:30 on January 22nd, 2015. We cannot go back in time. We cannot undo it. I even said to my husband, if I had stayed in the county back in 77, I'd be retired by now. Why did I leave the county in 77? I can't do that because I wouldn't have met Bob. I wouldn't have my children. I wouldn't have Vincent. I can't go back in time. The bad is the good. We got to take them all together, and we have to do it again, you guys. Let it go. I'm going to stop right there, Bobby.